Okay, guys, so here we are already almost to February. I thought that I would share with you guys a few of my little tips and tricks and, just things that I've learned to stay motivated or help me stay motivated throughout the year. So I know this sounds like a really, really simple one, you guys, and it definitely is. I should take this gum out of my mouth. But the first thing is to just stay positive. And this is something that you should definitely do. Like, first thing when you get up, just think about whatever it is. Like, think about positive thoughts. And also, this kind of goes hand in hand with being positive, is be grateful. Just think of all the things that you have to be grateful for. And I guarantee you, you're just going to feel a lot better like throughout the day and week. And, it's just going to give you like a much more positive perspective. It really, really does make a difference if you do this, I know this is it's hard for a lot of people, and I know a lot of people tend to be really negative and might not be in the best situations sometimes and, just having like a rough time in life. But I promise you, you guys, you can always find something to be positive about, and you can always change your perspective. And this will really like change things for you. So this is my number one thing that you should do, is be grateful and be positive. Okay, so the second thing to do, well, the second and the third thing is we'll start with write things down. So write things down daily, weekly, and monthly. So, whether it be a to-do list, just organize your thoughts, write things down. And if you don't do a to-do list, which you should do a to-do list, another thing that is really helpful is to just write down, and I know this sounds silly, like write down what you did that day and what you got accomplished. And this is like something really simple that I just started doing, and it helps me kind of like not only remember what I did, but reflect back like at the end of the day, the end of the week, and the end of the month, like, okay, well, yeah, I did this, and this today or this week, and I still have, X to do. And it just gives you like a pretty good sense of like accomplishment, which in turn, makes you feel happy. It makes you feel better about yourself, even a small, of course, you're not going to write down like I made my bed today, but it does help you, because a lot of people do forget things. Like, I know I forget, like, oh yeah, what day did I do this? Or, this is just something that's like, it really does help me. Bruce, what are you doing? It really does help me stay motivated throughout, if you write everything down, just write it all down. Whenever you have time or whenever you think about it, just write it down. Okay, and yeah, that goes with reflection. So you write it down and then you reflect back on it. Okay, yeah, I know. Number 4 is to clear your clutter. So I know everyone knows this, like you should clean your stuff up, but once every like couple months, you should really like clear out all of your clutter, all of it. And every day or every week, you should just clear all of your clutter, because it really is true what they say, like what is in your space is a reflection of what is in your mind. So if you have a cluttery house or a cluttery space, then you're going to have a cluttery mind, and it's not going to be easy for you to focus or, think about what you need to do and stuff. So, and it does make you feel kind of like hoarder-ish when you have a lot of stuff. So it is good to just like purge, get rid of stuff, and just clear your space. Just often, very often, just clear your space. Just do it. Trust me, it will help. The fifth thing is also simple. These are all actually very simple things, but it's so helpful. The fifth thing should actually be number one. Well, it doesn't matter. They're all number one. But the fifth thing is exercise. So that's simple, but if you just sweat a little bit every day, just get your heart rate up, that will get the blood flow and the oxygen flowing to your brain, which will actually, scientifically, this is a fact, make you think better. So you need to get that blood flowing, you need to get that oxygen going to the brain. So however you do that, just try and break a sweat, you know? And then sweat, it also helps you like sweat out toxins and stuff, and it gets your endorphins going. It's just really, really good for you to exercise. Even if it's just 20 minutes per day, you guys, it's, you know, healthy body, healthy mind, healthy body. So exercise, it technically, you know, it makes you smarter. So those are my tips for staying motivated, and you know, I think they're all really great tips, you guys, and that's it. So be sure to watch the next video, and I will be definitely seeing you guys very soon. Be sure to like this video, love it, favorite it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, right, Chooch? That's it. Bye-bye.